So this here is the King's freezer that we used to have, 75 litre fridge, 3-stage. Came with a 5-year warranty, which we ended up using. It was a great fridge, but the only thing that we had wrong with it is if you put the doors on around the wrong way, they rattled, but if you turn around the right way, they are fine. And in the end, it stopped freezing. The thermostat went on it. It was within the 5 years. We returned it and they said we'll either fix it or give you a refund. They gave us a refund and now we've bought a new one. And now we've bought this one here, which is still a 75 litre Stayzcool's Mark II dual zone freezer. I already noticed a few things different just in the shop. One thing when you buy from King's, just know that they're quite good with their warranties, so make sure you keep their receipts. But also have a look on their website before you buy anything, because quite often it comes as a deal and it's a lot cheaper. So this fridge here by itself was going to cost a price, but if we bought this temperature gauge as well, it was nearly $200 cheaper. Definitely worth looking at the website. I must say this dual zone thermometer is reasonably good. You need to buy batteries for it. I'm not really sure we'll use it for the fridge because the fridge has got its own thermometer on it, so it's a little bit strange that it came with it. Having said that though, we might use it in the caravan or something so we can see what it's like outside. But the caravan itself has its own fridge, so we might put this in the caravan's fridge, not in this fridge. Well, let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is our 4th fridge from King's. A bit strange having 4 fridges. Well, we don't actually have 4 fridges. We had a fridge and it got stolen, so we bought another one. But before that we had a Waco fridge and it died while we were away, so we had to buy a fridge while we were away. Now unfortunately there was an official King's store where we were, up in Hervey Bay, so we didn't get it at a discount price. Always better to buy it direct from King's if you can, but we just didn't have the choice. So already I can see from this, it's got 2 cages in this section here. That's new from the previous version. 2 doors as you'd expect. 2 cages in here as well. This side isn't as big as the old fridge. This motor seems to be bigger, so there's not quite as much space in there, but it's still 75 litres. I don't know how we'll use these cages, because if you're going to have milk, you need to stand them up usually, so maybe we'll put the milk on its side and risk it. See how we go. And in the box we've got instruction manual. Got 12 volt and 240 volt cables with the dual plug on the end here. So I've taken the manual out of the bag, and there's the how to put the handles on as an extra sheet of paper, so that makes it easy to find. There we go. So the manual comes with all sorts of cooling tips and stuff. I do know when the fridge is empty it uses up a lot more power than when it's full. I've got these, so I've got two the same, left and right. In the bag here have the screws. Also comes with the required Allen key. So let's go at putting one of these on. Right, so I'm going to use this other side here, just so I've got more torque on the screw. Get it all the way in. Now, just so you know, King's didn't sponsor this video at all. They haven't provided the fridge for me. I paid full price for it. And look at recesses. I like that, that's great. Looks like a professional's done it. Now for the other end, and then I'm done. So here are the controls. So on the right here, we've got USB-C now, and USB normal. On the last model, it was just 2 USBs. And this is where you plug in 240 volts. And this is where you can plug in the 12 volts. You can also plug in the 12 volts down the other side as well. So looking at the fridge from this angle here, so the controls are on the right. This one here is on the left, the far one away from us. This one here is on the closest. So I'm going to put this one, press this button here, put this one at 4 degrees, and the one that's closest to us, I'm going to put it negative 15. But you can have it round the other way if you want to. So that's what it's set to. You can see that currently they're both at 12 degrees. So here's the old control unit. 12 volts, 240 volts and 2 USBs. Now these USBs only worked when it's plugged into 12 volts, which is a bit annoying. So this is the other end of the fridge. You can put 12 volts in the side here too. So I'm going to plug the USB in. And we'll see if it charges the phone while it's plugged into 240 volts. It does not. Oh, that's a shame. Only works when you're plugged into 12 volts, not 240 volts. That's a real shame. Let's just try that one more time. Just to be sure, turn it over. No, that's a shame. It doesn't work when it's plugged into 240 volts. So when it's plugged into 12 volts, it'll charge your phones or devices, which is okay when you're in the car, I suppose, but not when it's plugged into 240 volts. There we go, it's slowly going down, temperatures. Now our old fridge, the Mark I version, we'd have to have it on for a few hours before we actually got it down to the right temperature, but this seems to have done heaps quicker. It's only been on for minutes, not hours. And there we go. And we've already got our food in there as well. Also on our YouTube channel, we've got heaps of other videos of trips and things to do all around Australia. Hopefully that review's been helpful. Like I said, Kings have not sponsored, have not paid, or do not know about this review. So if you've liked it, please give me a thumbs up, because that really helps. Don't forget to subscribe also. Thanks for watching.
We roll, we drive through rain or shine, this great wide land forever mine. Oh, we're camping under southern stars, out where the land stretches near and far, from Rotorua to the ocean shore. Australia's heart is what we're looking for. We roam, we drive through rain or shine, this great wide land forever.